actually, I'm sure most of you guys are asking themselves, why do I still wear slippers? Why don't I look like other Forex traders wearing the Gucci, the suits, and all that, It's because of how I grew up. I've learned to always be myself, regardless of the circumstances. I've learned to always be myself all the time. That's why even today I'm still comfortable. I can assure you, you guys take me as a celebrity, partially, and most celebrities are masturbating, but they will never tell the public that they're masturbating. Nah, I'm that type of a guy who doesn't compromise because of what people will think or what people will say about me. I'm always me. It's more like it's either you accept me as I am or you fucking move on. Simple. Especially if you are not there for me when I was still down in life. So I can't want to do things just to impress you. You know what I'm saying? So most people, they find it weird to talk about such things. Hey, I'm masturbating. They think people will lose that respect. Nah, if you respect me, you must respect the real me. Better real respect than the fake one, people. Mina, I don't go around the bushes. Straight, pa. Maybe that's why to some people I still seem weird. I'm not weird, I'm real. Most people on social media, they're pretending to be these perfect people. Perfect. Everything is perfect. Now my life is as raw as I present it to you guys, And when you say, coach, you inspire me, I want you to mean it in a sense, you know who's the person who inspires you. You guys, I'm sure you are following these celebrities, but you have never seen them off makeup. Without makeup, you have never seen them. But you are busy saying, hey, mama, you inspire me, you inspire me. You are following these celebrities, you inspire me. You don't even know what they've been through or what they are going through because they are not presenting that to you guys. They are presenting to you guys the fleshy lifestyle, I'm gonna do both. I'm gonna remind you where I come from. Then I'm gonna show you. Remember, when I show you my current lifestyle, to me it's not fleshy. To me it's my life. You understand? Especially because it's not like I've hidden anything in terms of who I am or how I made it. It's only fleshy when a person comes to you and say, yeah, I've bought an RS7, I've bought a G63, you know what I'm saying? But you don't really know where that person comes from. Now, I'm always reminding you guys where I come from all the time, That's just the real me. So I want you guys to understand and know who you're following, So that in the history of books, you will say there was this guy. This guy takes everything as raw as it is, That's why even today, PR companies, they fail to control me because I'm going to tell you, that's one of the reasons why I no longer have a reality show on TV. Having a reality show on national television is nonsense. Most reality shows on television, they are nonsense. I'm telling you, I've been there. Even though the reason why mine was no longer there on television is because of finances. The channel didn't pay us our money. And because we were not desperate for TV, we said, fuck you. Then we parted ways, right? But I can assure you, most reality shows, they are fake. So the channel wanted us to be these people that we are not. You understand? For example, starting with the name, FBK Millionaires, They wanted to send a message that we are FBK Millionaires. We are all about nice cars, nice lifestyle, girls, all over. We are living the life. But what are you going to learn by me coming to your television with a G63 that you don't know how did I even get it? What are you going to learn from having to see me drive an RS7, where else you don't even know where I started? So I'm all about showing you where I started. Because when I show you my present, my present lifestyle, I'm not flashing. It's my life. When I'm asking you which car am I supposed to buy, I'm going to buy it. I'm not acting. It's my life. I afford to live it. I deserve it because I've worked hard for it. You understand? Yeah. So those people, they wanted us to turn into this people that we are not, do these things which you can, if you can check, most reality shows have one thing in common: the lifestyle. It's almost perfect. You know, a person wakes up with makeup. What the fuck is that? What? How can it be a reality show but a person is a with a makeup already in jail? You know, the reason why I agreed going to television was because I wanted to show you guys, or I would say talk about what I've been through and then showing you my present. You know, unfortunately, everything was twisted, you know. That's why even today the media twisted everything, but it's fine. It's part of life. I guess there's nothing I can do about it, you know. So I wanted to show you guys raw trading, how we trade, how when we trade we lose, how we lose money when we trade, you know, because it's not just about making money. Now, here's the funny thing. Everything which involves trading, which was the whole purpose of the show, it was captured, but it was never put in any episode. That's when I told my manager that, you know what, these people are fucking with us. On top of that, they owe us money. On top of that, they're twisting everything. Now they're turning us into these characters that we are not. Now we are all about showing people that we have money. I know. Having money is not what we are going to pretend to impress you. We don't live our lives to impress anyone. Having money is our current life. It's a reality right now. But we want you to understand how we got to where we are. That's the most important process. You understand? So don't be fooled by most reality shows you see. Everything, 90% of the things that you see there are scripted. That's just the truth. 90% of the things that you see there, they are scripted. Myself and ST, Vincent ST, we used to be the most difficult characters. When they tell us that, coach, you must go and find a slave queen, I used to say, fuck you, no, I'm not going there. And then they will only bind me by the contract, and they, but you signed contract. You know, I'm like, okay, it's fine, but I will not do it. I do me, you know. And many people don't understand the purpose behind that. But with time, slowly people will adjust, man. You know, because the last thing I want is to come in front of you guys and sell you guys dreams. You know, the only thing that I want is to be unique. Is to be unique. Is to know that coach has money, but behind coach's money, there's actually more sad stories than the good ones.